Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our 5-minute pickled onions, this is probably one of the most easiest recipes ever. I've actually added into this, but you would just want to slice the onions in half lengthwise and then into thin half moons. And then you want to pack them into a jar and then just give them a pinch of salt. If you want to measure these things, a pinch is usually about a scant quarter teaspoon. And then you just cover it up with some red wine vinegar. So this is a jar that I've had going for a while. So I just have added some more onion to it and topped it up with extra fresh vinegar. So you keep doing that for a few times, but eventually when the liquid in there doesn't taste like vinegar anymore, then it's time to stop and start it fresh. But then, yeah, this will just sit. The longer you leave it, the softer the onion will be and the milder it will be, but it's ready to eat now if you want. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.